Hello, today is June 19th, 2026, and it's time for some stock picks. Speculation in the capital markets remain rampant, with artificial intelligence or AI related stocks like SpaceX becoming public as the most valuable initial public offering or IPO and immediately trading higher. Valuations for stocks are very high, and the general economy, excluding AI-related spending, like data centers, is generally flat, much like how things have been since the fall of 2026, or perhaps even earlier. While most market participants are focusing on hot AI-related stocks, we look for good businesses at good prices, as always. We believe this is the best way to invest. So stocks with good balance sheets, consistent profitability, good future outlook, and reasonable valuations. Hard to do, but we believe we can. Here are our latest topics. AngloGold Ashanti, NYC AU. This is a gold miner with production in Argentina, Australia, Brazil, and Africa. Silver and sulfuric acid are byproducts of gold mining for this company too. The bullish thesis for precious metals and miners is arguably the strongest it has been in years, driven by a powerful combination of expanding margins and historically cheap valuations. With gold prices maintaining record strength and silver benefiting from both monetary safe haven flows and surging green energy industrial demand, producers are generating massive free cash flow. However, unlike previous cycles, mining equities have largely avoided frothy speculative premiums. Many top-tier miners are still trading at single-digit free cash flow multiples, despite the underlying commodities soaring. When you pair this layering valuation disconnect with highly disciplined capital allocations, such as aggressive share backs and dividends, and the macro environment defined by persistent geopolitical tension and relentless central bank accumulation, the setup for a sustained multi-year re-rating in gold and silver mining equities is exceptionally compelling. AngloGold is a solid company, well diversified geographically, generating a record free cash flow, and it recently announced the record dividend along with a massive share repurchase program. I like it for the long term. My second stock pick is going to be an investment company, Federated Hermes, engaged in the provision of investment management products and related financial services. The recent rise in markets has increased assets under management, or AUM, wealth management companies, and the ongoing generational wealth transfer creates sticky long-term demand for active advisory and retirement planning services. Federated Hermes is uniquely positioned to capitalize on these sector-wide trends, operating from a position of profound strength in mid-2026. The company has a record AUM growth, aggressive shareholder yield, and a valuation disconnect. Despite pristine financial health and massive asset inflows, FHI trades at a high discounted forward PE multiple compared to the broader market, presenting a compelling value and income setup. Perdoceo Education Corp, Nasdaq PDRO. My third stock pick is a company in the post-secondary career-focused education business. It operates at Colorado Technical University, the American Intercontinental University System, and the University of St. Augustine for Health Sciences. The post-secondary and career-focused education sector is experiencing a structural renaissance in 2026. As traditional four-year universities face mounting scrutiny over soaring tuition costs and questionable return on investment, demand is surging for flexible online and skills-based programs. The shift creates a powerful macroeconomic tailwind for operators offering cost-effective, career-aligned degrees, particularly in high-demand fields like healthcare, business, and technology. Perdoceo stands out as a highly compelling investment, blending pristine financial health, exactly what we like in stocks. Strong balance sheet, good profitability, and a low valuation at 11 times forward price-to-earnings ratio. As always, if you have any questions about these investment opportunities or any other investment-related questions or matters, please give us a call. Thank you and have a great day.